There we go. Yeah. Plan to rewatch this film today, so. Yep. Alright, so. It's time to. Yep. This film has Christopher Charles Darwin, Francis McDormand, Sean Bean, Michelle Monaghan, Winnie Harrelson, Sissy Spacek. There we go. That's better. That's better.
I put your profile on perfectmatch.com.
With your signal, the only thing scarier than a first date
I answered my own father's personal ad. This is disturbing on so many levels.
is wanting a second one.
It's a little intense.
She did not see my A game. She didn't see your B or C game either. You're not nice. Like you're not a nice person.
Diane Lane, John Cusack.
There's enough weed to be
Oh, by the way, it's North Country.
Your ad. Still.
Do I get my meat?
Must Love Dogs. Look for it on DVD.
Oh my God.
Now, she's gonna destroy him before Charlie becomes part of this family.
Enjoy it while you can.
She's got to get by his mother.
Have another one. I know you like to eat steak and kidney pie. Do you like it? Oh, am I interrupting something?
The only way to deal is to fight fire with fire.
Jennifer Lopez.
My mother's specialty. What do you think?
Jane Fonda.
I'm not over yet.
Missy. Monster-in-Law.
Call me Daddy, Grandma.
Rated PG-13.
Look for it on DVD. By the Classification Raimi Administration, go to www.filmraise.com. This film is a modified Alfonso original version. It's been formatted for your screen. Yeah.